Ultra short impact wrench, 1/2-inch drive. Holy shit, this thing's small. Great personality though. Great personality.
1/2-inch drive stubby, I like it. It feels kind of heavy, which I like. Heavy's good. I don't know why everybody's on this big kick of lighter tools and featherweight tools, and they want everything super light and composite. I like feeling that a tool's actually like got something there. It's like made with material, not made with like 50% air to try to save. More weight is more better. More weight hits harder. I don't care who you are. That's a fact. More weight, more better. Try hitting with a smaller hammer, right? It doesn't work. It's hard to hit harder with a smaller hammer. You can always hit lighter with a big hammer. I also really like the directional change on this one. And that's something that my 3/4 has, is that style of directional change. I like that. I really like that. One hand, don't have to take your hand off. You don't have to go to the back and twist something. It's just, you can use your thumb. So, yeah,